Tapo is a smart security camera that you can easily install in your home or office. First, you will see its unboxing and out-of-the-box look. You also get a power adapter and a memory slot with the camera. Now let us move on to its setup, that is configuration. Now first you have to turn on the camera, that is, you have to plug the adapter to give it power. After that, as soon as your camera turns on and gets ready, a red and green coloured flashlight will blink. We will teach you how to set up screen recording step by step. So first of all, you have to go to your Play Store and type Tapo in the search box. After that, you have to download it by clicking on Install. After that, you have to go to your Wi-Fi settings and search there. The Wi-Fi of your camera will be written Tapo Support. You have to click on Connect. After connecting, you have to open the Tapo application. After opening, you will see a plus icon in the right corner. Click there and click on Add Device. After that, a new window will open. Here you have to select the camera indoor. After that, select the model number of the camera Tapo C210. After that, you have to give permission for activation of some cameras. You have to go Next and then Next. After that, you will get an option to select the Wi-Fi in your house. After selecting your Wi-Fi, you will have to fill in the password of your home Wi-Fi. Then click on Next and proceed further. After that, you can name the camera anything like kitchen or as you like. After that, you can also put some icons for the picture. You have to proceed further with possession. Later, you will see the message of complete setup of the camera written in front of you. Click on Go. After that, if you want to activate the third party, then it is fine. If not, then you can proceed further by clicking on Maybe Later. Now you will see the symbol of the camera in a small box type in the left corner. As soon as you click on the box, it will again ask you for some permission. You will have to click on Go and slide a little. Later you will see that your camera is on. You can move the angle of the camera, right, left, up, down, using the PTZ. Easy, remotely. I am making a video in the room and the lights are off on the top left corner. After that, go to Video and Display. You have to select 2K. Also, if you want to activate the alarm at night, you just have to turn it on from here. It works as a motion detector. You have to do OK. After coming back, you can see that the view has started appearing in color. You can also make calls in it, and you can talk to anyone who is directly near the camera. Here I have shown you the complete setup of the camera. Now I will also show you the method to remove the camera from the device. Just after going to the settings, you will find Remove Camera written at the very bottom. You just have to click and remove it. Now your camera has been reset again. If you found the video informative, then do subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. And tell me in the comment which other product setup you want to learn. Then I will make a video of that and upload it on my YouTube channel.